How to cancel Xbox Game Pass PC. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to cancel Xbox Game Pass PC. So in order to cancel the subscription, what you have to do is you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and navigate to the account, that is account.microsoft.com/services. When you're on this page, you need to go and sign in into your Microsoft account. After that, you need to navigate to the Xbox Game Pass subsection of the page. Next thing, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and click on the manage button. As you click on the manage button, then click on choose cancel, then click on cancel subscription. When you actually click on the cancel subscription, select the game that you wish to cancel. Since it is Xbox, you need to select Xbox, and then you need to continue the procedure, give a valid reason for doing this, and if successfully cancel Xbox Game Pass PC. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.